Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm happy to have you here to see how we make our cakes. So I'll be stacking 3-layer cake in this video. So I started with my vanilla and I coated the top with buttercream icing. Now I just placed the strawberry. I would like to I'm trimming off the down part of the strawberry cake. You can leave it's optional to you. Okay, so when I'm done trimming out the burnt parts of the cake, okay, I'll coat it again with buttercream icing. So in this particular cake, I didn't use any cake filling. It's up to you if you want to use a cake filling or not, but in this one there was no cake fillings. So when I'm done coating with the buttercream, I went on to add the red velvet cake. So this is actually a 3-layer cake, 8 inches size. Alright, so this is how we stack our cake if you want your cake to go out all tall. Alright, so let me know what you think when you do yours. So this is a perfect trimming of the cake. Watch my next video to see how we trimmed the cake perfectly. Thank you.